Show me an all-time high and I'll show you a buy. Bitcoin has reached an all-time high. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5 by 5 in Miami, not Dubai. I said Dubai yesterday, but it is Miami that I'm here right now in a beautiful hotel. I love it. If you want to see where I am, what's going on, you have to head over to my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram, which my followers has just skyrocketed recently. It is just unbelievable right here. As you can see, now I'm like at 538,000 followers and climbing really rapidly. It's just unbelievable. Thank you guys all for watching. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin today and whether or not you're going to be buying it. Also, we're going to be doing some TA at the end. And if you're interested in trading anything that I show you, you can go to bybit.davincij15.com. Of course, if you're in the United States, you're going to need a VPN in order to use that, and also some, a digital residency outside of the United States, which is possible. You can go to Palau and also, let's see here, Liberland is also providing digital residency. Yeah, we can trade it also at CoinW, which doesn't have any KYC, and you can start trading there. And also to 2bit.davincij15.com as well. All right. Links are in the description below. Let's go on to, why crypto just won't die. Bitcoin's weakness may be its greatest strength. Oh my God. See, this is the Atlantic. Another hit piece. These are hit pieces after Bitcoin has created its all-time high, because the media has to talk about it, or else they become, okay, so what's wrong with you? Why aren't you not mentioning these things that are hitting all-time highs, right? That it just seems weird. And they're just hitting it after as Bitcoin hits a record high, only 2 Congress members have bought crypto since 2021. And they're not interested. The biggest criminals in the world, they're not interested. This one right here, look at this. Bitcoin bounces to an all-time high after FTX scandal. Plague crypto. Scandal plaguing it. Plaguing. You don't want to get any of that. Because you know what? Larry Fink's got to buy it before you do. Oh, damn. Then over here is crypto back. What you need to know about Bitcoin surge. Bitcoin hit a record high, but there's a big difference between now and the last crypto boom, when digital currencies became a cultural phenomenon. Ooh, you might want to slow you roll. Don't get it to Bitcoin at an all-time high, right? Because, even though that's a buy, a signal of a buy, don't do it. Don't do it. These news organizations have your best interest in mind. They'll tell you not to buy Bitcoin. Now that it's hit its record high, right? Because hit the record high, there are 4 things you need to know about this spectacularity before you go out and buy, so that you don't, buy this rally and cause it to go higher, right? JP Morgan, right? All the rich people need to get in and buy it before you do. So we can't allow you to do that. Now, if you read through any of these articles, links are going to be in the description below. None of them will tell you that the reason why Bitcoin is going higher is because people are speculating that it will become the money, because it's a better system of money than the money we're using today. Not one single solitary article will say that. None. When they do, that's the time to sell. When they hype you up, right? When they give you a reason to buy, I'm going to tell you why you need to buy Bitcoin right now. If they saying that, that's when you run. But they ain't saying it. Kramer came out with something, and I forgot to have that news article. I'll provide that tomorrow. So you look out for that Kramer news article. Okay, Bitcoin. This dump was scary, right? This was like a lot of people got heart attacks. I'm sure that bought into the ETF. And now all of a sudden, boom, we're back up $66,000 and just knocking on the door of 70,000. And then we just dropped like a rock just recently. So this is like crazy volatility, which is normal when we're in a bull market, right? There is a lot of people who look at Bitcoin and say, well, too high, too fast, I'm going to hit the sell button and shit to short. A lot of people who bought Bitcoin at the $60,000 mark, oh my God, it's back above the new high. I'm selling this thing. I bought this thing a long time ago. I'm out. I don't know what it is, but I don't care. I'm selling it. Those people are here to sell at this point in time. In fact, I'd like to apologize because honestly, I have what's it called? A clear signal to sell this top here. I had a clear signal and I missed it because I was so wrapped up in all the bullishness that I forgot my signal saying, hey, by the way, if we get to 70K to 69, is it 70 to 69,000, you should short this like crazy. And yeah, look, that was a beautiful short once we got there, and then boom, it just went straight down. It would have been scary because it was running up there like it was running up all this time, but it was an absolute clear and present short to take. Now, right now, what's going to happen is Bitcoin's going to consolidate. We're going to have to, bounce up and down and consolidate, and then make some sort of like either bear flag or pennant or something like that. It's going to do that for a while before we take off, right? And odds are we'll take off, but there is a possibility that we will reverse, and we're going to reverse down to as low as $52,000. So either way is a possibility, but most likely with the ETF and the halving coming, we are going to go a lot higher, especially since we've created an all-time high in Bitcoin. So I would look for your right bet is to okay, we're down here. If it comes down here again, I'm buying. And that would be your best option for you to do, because the odds are higher that Bitcoin will go higher. Okay, closing this off with Ethereum, right? Remember, if you're interested before I close it off with insurance, if you're interested in trading, you can head over to 2bit.davincij15.com, where there is a promotion here. The links are in the description where you can actually earn some bonus money so that you can actually trade up to 3,000 USDT. So check that out. Links are in the description below. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum on the 4 hour, right? Ethereum, again, it was like, what the heck? And so you can zoom in here, you can see it. This was a big drop. And then all of a sudden we created a new high. What the hell? Wow. That was insane, right? So again, I think the same results is going to happen if you want to short this yet. It would probably be a good idea. We're probably just going to go up and down and sideways here because we need some consolidation. We don't have to have it. It's just the odds are this is what we're going to do, right? With Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then break out to new highs. So yeah, the movements have been so big. So this is why we had this huge drop and scary drop of for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So expect some consolidation. This cannot persist now. Also, if you look at it, you can see that there is clear that there is a a divergence here. The divergence probably is not going to confirm, right? I think Ethereum is going to hold the line, but there is divergence in the RSI and probably in the MACD as well, and there's definitely divergence in the volume. So it is a bad sign, but it with this bullish market, its odds are it's not going to affect Ethereum's performance. We're not going to see lows all the way. I mean, if it does affect their lows, we're going to see it come back all the way down to the 200 period moving average, a little bit lower, probably even this yellow line, which is the $2,500 mark. So it is unlikely that we're going to do that, but if we do break, that's where we're going. But I think we're most likely going to break up to these higher trend lines here. That's just like seems like impossible. But yeah, and just unbelievable with the current market, right? It's just absolutely blowing through. This is the crypto market that will change the way we look at crypto forever, I think, because the average retail investor can get into Bitcoin, and that's what they're doing. And although some of them are only getting in because the price go up, the number go up, they don't know why they're buying it. They will eventually, right, learn that truth, that Bitcoin is money, Bitcoin will be the money, and they will hold on to it and be holders of, like Michael Saylor, for the day that it is money. And they're going to be superheroes, and I hope you are one of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.